Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Bankwest Online Banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Bankwest login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official login page of the Bankwest Online Banking, where you can see it is asking us for our personal access number and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login and you'll be able to log in successfully. And you can also see there is remember my PAN option. So once you enable this one, then what it basically means is your PAN number gonna be saved in your browser or in your device successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on the reset your password online on in the screen, and by chance if you have forgotten your PAN, then simply tap on the forgotten your PAN. And you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Bankwest Online Banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.